So is it good for gaming? It depends on what you're gaming on. You're asking, do you need a PC monitor to play games like Fortnite? You don't need a PC monitor. But the reason why you would want to consider a monitor like this, Hugo, is for the, number one, it's 2K, right? And so 2K gaming is actually the current standard of today, let's be honest. Like, Xbox Series X can handle 2K pretty well. PlayStation 5 can handle 2K pretty well. And most higher-end PCs can handle 2K pretty well. This monitor in particular is going to be very useful because, especially if you have an NVIDIA graphics card. So if you don't have an NVIDIA graphics card, I don't recommend getting this monitor, because part of the bigger price tag on this monitor is the G-Sync capability of it. This G-Sync capability on this monitor is going to require you to plug in 2 display cables probably into the back of the monitor, and you're paying for that NVIDIA integration there. This G-Sync is essentially going to reduce screen tearing and is going to give you like the most perfect vertical sync ever. In terms of the refresh rate for this monitor, it's 170 Hertz. You are never probably going to be able to play a game in 2K at 170 Hertz, so that's totally overkill. Overall, is this a good monitor? Absolutely, it's a good monitor. Absolutely. If you wanted to pick that one up, you are making a good investment.